Hi, what's up, everybody? This is NT. One box, pick your team number 5. It is a fresh case. Let's see it. Good luck, guys. Yes. Good luck. There we go. And we're going to start with Nolan. The A train is for the California Angels there. Goes to the Los Angeles Angels. Ozzie Ryan gets that one to 75 on the red. There's a gold of Roman Anthony to 99 for the Bull Sox. Pete is on with the Roman. There's Waldrip for Hotlanta to 99. That's on the kill, I think. Guam Chief to 99 on the Treasured Threads. And there's Jake Geloff to 99. I'm assuming there's relation to Zach Geloff. There, I'm actually not sure. It looks like Dodgers. Yes. Dodgers on the relic. Is there relation? Anybody know if he's related? I'm assuming he's related to Zach Geloff. Assumptions. There's a nice one coming. This was on the kill too. This is a nice one. Really nice. 3 colors. Emerald to 5. It's Noble Meyer. 2023 draft prospect. Nice Noble Meyer for the Fish. Oh, no way. That's sick. Oh, that's a sick card coming. I hope he's here to see this. This is sick. Dude, that's a 4 of 10 Joe DiMaggio. Dude, that's so sick. Game worn jersey piece for Kragos. Kragos, that's sick. That is so sick. That's game worn. That's sick. That's why you buy the Yankees. That's really why you buy the Yankees. We have a true RPA for Texas. That's also very nice. 1 of 25, Sebastian Walcott. Also for the Guam Chief. Wow. Guam Chief having a beautiful break. 1 of 25, 2 colors. Technically 3 colors almost. And Miguel Blez for Boston on the Canvas Creations. Interesting. This is an impeccable set. That's an impeccable set in there. Also for the Bull Sox, Mr. Valeriano back on the board. And for the Rangers, number to 99, there's Juan Gonzalez on the patch auto. 40 of 49. Back to the Guam Chief. This was a really nice box. Probably the best box of NT I've opened. Take your next ones. We may have a really, really nice case on us. We might have a nice case, guys. And we are ending it to 25. Wow, what a freaking box. No way. 3 colors to 25. It's Matt Shaw for the Cubs. And the Guam Chief cleaned up. That was an incredible NT box. Nice clutch factor, RPA. Sorry, not RPA, excuse me. That was a really nice, really nice box. Yeah, I didn't know they were off today. Again, I'm assuming just because, you know, day before release. Assumption. Guys, can we do another one? Take your 6. Look at this. That was a really good box. That was a really good box. Crowd goes with the DiMaggio. He's probably out there on the blackjack table, but he'll be really happy with that piece. Look at that. Shaw to 25. Gonzalez. Blez. And Sebastian Walcott. True RPA. That's sick. That was a sick fucking box. That was a really sick box of NT. I'm just saying. You guys want another one, guys? It's right here. That was the break.